What's happening, everybody? So, I recently came across the movie The Blue Beetle. It's all the rage where I live at the minute, and although I don't know much about the franchise, I really like the aesthetics of the logo, the colour scheme, and just the overall look of it. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the steps I went through from designing to modelling and finally the assembly. So the first step of this process was to create a set of curves that I can then take to Fusion 360 and use those to make a solid object. Here's a run through of me doing just that, and really the most important part of this process was striking a balance between catching all the essential features of the logo so that it's instantly recognizable, but also not capturing too small details because that's not really conducive to 3D printing, at least on a small scale. So once I was happy with the curves I'd created in Illustrator, I took them over to Fusion 360 and used them to make some solid objects. The way I designed this was so that the logo would sit on a little platform, and then that would rest on a white PLA backplate to give it a really nice light background. What's going to happen is that the LEDs are going to go in that little gap between the logo and the backplate, and that's going to give it a nice backlit design. So this is just me in Fusion 360 going through all those steps. And if it looks the way I imagine it to, it's going to look absolutely awesome. So once I had all the individual components ready, it was time to start putting it all together. The first step was to measure the right length of LED strip that will go around the perimeter. You don't want it to be too short or too long because neither is ideal. Once I had the right length, I soldered a USB power cable to the LED strip, and that's the method I'll be using in this project for powering. A quick check was made just to make sure the LEDs are working, and then we were ready to go. The LEDs come with a little sticky strip that I used to fix them onto the logo. And then once everything was put together, I gave it a good check just to make sure it all looked good. So guys, this is what it looked like once it was all put together, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. The colours are good, the LEDs look really nice, especially with that backlit effect, and the little cutouts in the middle of the logo really bring it to life. And I hope if there's any Blue Beetle fans out there seeing this, I hope they like it as much as I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider liking, subscribing and commenting, as it really helps grow the channel. Let me know if there's any other projects you'd like me to show, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.